Never in my career have I seen anything like this, especially around here in the mountains. As you can see, the bridge is gone, and this is why we're having to set poles of the helicopter. We're having access issues. We've got a road cut from Deep Gap Road back over through the Forest Service to Big Hungry, and we're able to get in smaller vehicles, track machines, and ATVs. And we're set 7 poles of the helicopter today to start the restoration process for Big Hungry community. This has been a challenging process to get this going, but we're making headway and hopefully get these customers power soon.